y'all have been following me on social media, you know that I have been working slowly but surely at getting together my outdoor living space. This is our old converted garage. We're converting it to an outdoor living space, and all these little bits and pieces are going to come together to create this really beautiful space. Right now, I'm focusing on these 2 end tables that I purchased on Facebook Marketplace recently, and I want to change them just slightly to fit my space. I love the base of these. They have a really beautiful shape, and they're a good material for a covered space. I just don't love the glass tops. What I do love about the glass tops is how durable and easy to clean that they are. You just spray them and wipe them off, right? So what I don't love about that is that I can see through. And so it's just not quite the look I want. And so what I'm gonna try to do is to create a whole different look by spraying one side, the bottom side of this glass, and then letting the top stay so that you've got this like light color that's coming through the bottom. So let me show you how I'm gonna do it. I'll show you the before and the after, and I'll show you how I'm gonna style it up. All right, let's go. The first thing you wanna do is to spray and clean them down really good with glass cleaner. Make sure there's no stains, no streaks. Get a good start for the spray paint to stick. Next thing I'm going to do is to take this painter's tape and paint all the way around the edge. You can make the decision if you want for this part to be the color that you're going to paint, but I do not want this to be the color. I'm going to tape this part too, so that we've got, this is going to be a color and this is going to be glass. And then of course the other underneath will be protected. So we're going to tape all the way around this edge with your painter's tape. We're all prepped for paint. I wanted to show you the paint that I'm using. This is called Matte Clamshell. It's by Krylon, and it is a matte paint. Remember, if you've ever scratched a mirror before, you may know what this is going to be achieving here. The back of mirror has a silvering on it, and if you've ever scratched it or something, you can see that you can see through to the clear glass on the other side. So this is going to be a similar effect. But remember, when you're spray painting, you always want to do multiple thin layers rather than one thick layer so that it doesn't drip or crack or anything like that. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to do one coat, let it dry, and come back and do multiple coats until it achieves the look that we want. The table is now complete. I've flipped it all over. I've placed it back in its place. You can see next to our sofa here, and it's still got plenty of room, even with our styling materials, to put drinks and other things that you need to do while you're entertaining in your space. We may not end up using these forever outside. I haven't quite decided how we're going to use them, but for now, I'm really loving how they pull a really interior look to the outdoor space. And I also love that we've maintained the practicality of a glass top. It's going to be so easy for us to clean and maintain when things get dusty and dirty outside. If you guys have any questions, make sure to comment below, send me a DM. I'm happy to answer any questions that you have about this project.